Jesus said, "Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the sons of God." In a world filled with conflict, division, and hostility, followers of Christ are called to be different. A peacemaker is not someone who ignores problems or avoids difficult conversations. A peacemaker is someone who seeks restoration. They reflect the heart of God, who reconciled us to himself through Jesus Christ. Every day, we are given opportunities to choose peace. We can respond with grace instead of anger. We can forgive instead of retaliate. We can build bridges instead of walls. Being a peacemaker requires courage. It requires humility. It requires a willingness to put God's kingdom above our own pride. When we pursue peace God's way, we demonstrate the character of our Heavenly Father. We become living examples of His love and reconciliation. Today, ask God to show you where He wants you to bring peace. A conversation, a relationship, a misunderstanding, or perhaps an opportunity to share the gospel. Because blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the sons of God.